Are you? I named the beautiful bird there Diamond. There is Lemon sleeping and at the room. What? What? He wake up and then he sleep again. Birdie. Yeah. Hey, bird. Diamond eating her with that bird we saw didn't named. Oh, they're kind of shy. They're scared. There's their water and that's their ball. That's green. That's their ball. That's orange and that's their ball to eat. That's white. That's their ball to eat. As orange and their drinking is red. You could guess that's water of theirs, white. And that's their little house, also their house here. And they have the same house. We all give them one. But now they actually switched. And now we had birds. Some more birds. When we found more birds, we catched more birds. Look everywhere. I'm spinning you. Should guess who's that? I will never stop. Going to be with Diamond swimming in the football. Oh, and also that and that. And those two birds there, I don't know. So I named the yellow one and Rosie, and then that one Flower. Yeah. And that bugs. I don't know what to name that. And the other one, and that one, and what did it go? Just swimming there. Oh, that bird tried to bite because he was swimming in the food. Oh, is that? Check. Christmas tree. Tay. It's too far for you to see. Oh, now you could see the toy. Let's see. Wait, close your hands, close your eyes. I got something to show you. That something going to come in your eyes. I don't know. To go now, I secretly had the only sweetheart in the world.